one which we are exhibiting from Itoh Denki. As you are aware about Itoh Denki power mollers, I would like to introduce the products in depth. Please come here. These are the power mollers which having double groove, which are basically are used for less than 50 kg weight. These are basically used, one roller can rotate more than 7 to 8 of idler rollers. When you go for the poly, these are basically used for less than 200 kg weight. So these are basically used for the power pallet handling systems. These are different types of driver cards. Like I would like to introduce you. This is CB card, which are mainly used for stop and go applications. This is HBM 604, which we have introduced this time. It's having the specification like 2 power motors can be rotated using single module, and it's having ZP logic which is inbuilt itself. So when we are going for the Ethernet series, this is operating for the Ethernet cable. You can operate all the power motors using Ethernet. We are having one software which is known as ICE. You don't need PLC for that. Using this, having lots of benefits. And we are going for these are the taper rollers. Basically, it's with using PU rollers. It is coated with PU rollers. Mainly, these are used for the friction-free and 180 diversion. Yes. Coming to this newly launched product for this IWS show. Basically, it's multi-ball angle sorter. Mainly, it's having throughputs of 4,200 throughputs per hour. It's are used for high throughputs, and it rotates in 360 degrees. It is basically used for in packaging, warehouse, transmission, where it's having the weight carrying capacity of 30 kg. It can be used for multi-directions. Yes, as you are aware about this logic system, this is basically working on the ZP logic. This is the diverter which having 4 direction motion. We can rotate in left, right, forward, reverse and pop-up. It's having the weight carrying capacity of 50 kg, and we have launched one more product which is having weight carrying capacity up to 200 kg, which are mainly used for the pallet handling systems.